Good morning, student. Today, uh, we'll see to divide a polynomial by a binomial. Already, you have studied how to divide monomial by monomial, binomial by a monomial by a polynomial by monomial. Okay. Now you have to see polynomial by binomial. Binomial means we know two terms. Okay. Question is same to divide polynomial by binomial and write the quotient and the remainder. We'll see three example and three you have to solve. So see carefully what steps you not understood. You can ask me afterward. Okay, but see video carefully. And I observed that some students, just 25, 26 students, they are opened that link. Means remaining students they are not studied. Just 4, 5 students sending their photos of their answers. That is not good. Okay, so see now how to divide this one. So first one, write the dividend y square plus 10y plus 24, and your divisor is y plus 4. It is very simple. Now when you will divide this one by binomial, that time you have to consider only the first term of divisor and first term of the dividend. Don't think about another terms. That answers come automatically afterward. So here y square. Means by which number here you have to multiply this y, then it become y square. So we know it is y. Okay. So multiply it. Y into y square, like one below one like terms. If unlike terms, so you have to find which term is like and write below that. Then y into plus 4. Sign is very important. 4y. So we have written here 4y below the 10y. Okay. We know we have to subtract. Then this first term is cancelled because it is same. That should be cancelled. Plus 10 plus 4. It become plus 14y. Sign is very important. Plus 24. Okay. Now here plus 24. So what sign here? Plus. So put the same sign here. Plus sign. Okay. Then plus sign. Then again you have to consider this term. First one. And here divisor first. Here y. Here 14y plus 14y. Means y is here but 14 is not here. So you have to multiply this one by 14. So multiply it by 14. Okay. So now we'll multiply it by 14. 14 into y, 14y, 14 into 4. What is that? 56. So we have to subtract. So change the sign here, plus become minus. Here also plus become minus. This plus 14y minus 14y cancel. So 24 minus 56 means you have to subtract 56 minus 24 and give the greater number sign. Okay. This is 2, 3, 32. Okay. Greater number sign minus. So now can we divide this 32 by y? No. Now here you have to stop. Before this you studied divide by monomial, that time remainder come 0. But here not come 0. So keep this one as it is. Means your answer is what? Quotient. Your quotient is what? Y plus 14. And remainder is what come? Minus 32. This is your answer. I think you understood. We'll see two more examples. See carefully all examples. Now we'll see second example. See, in second example, now here we have to divide 2m cube plus m square plus m plus 9 by 2m minus 1. Now again observe first term here and here, 2 same, no need to adjust number. Here m, here m cube, means you have to multiply this m by m square, only variable part because coefficients are same, so no need to adjust. Multiply m square into 2m, we know it is 2m cube, m square into minus 1 m square. Sign is very important. So we have to subtract, again change the sign, here plus become minus, minus become plus. This first term is cancel. Plus m square, 1 here also 1. So here plus 2m square, right? Remaining all terms plus m plus 9. Okay, again see the sign, a plus sign, put here sign plus. See the first term, 2m square, here 2m, means 2 is there, no need to add this. Here m square. So here you have to multiply this m by m, then it becomes m square. So m into 2m square, m into minus 1 m. Okay, again subtraction, change the sign. This first term is cancel. Plus 1m, it is plus 2m. And last 9. Here m we can divide. Here what sign? Plus. Okay. So here now 2m, here also 2m. So by which number we have to multiply this 2m, then it become 2m. If numbers are same, then we know it is 1. Because 1 multiplied 2m, it become 2m. So multiply 1 means same term come 2m minus 1. 1 multiply this, 1 multiply minus 1, same term come. So minus sign, change the sign. Cancel this, plus 9 plus 1. What sign change? You have to consider that sign. So it become plus 10. Okay. Now division is finished. We can't divide 10 by 2m. So now your answer is what now? Quotient. Your quotient is what? M square plus m plus 1. And your remainder is what? Remainder is 10 or plus 10. Both are same. This is the second example. See all the examples carefully. Now we'll see one more example. This is, see here, divide 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube minus 7x plus 1 divided by 4x minus 1. In some example, maybe they will give this x raised to 4 here and x cube is here. Then you have to write that term in standard form, means in descending order of a power. Means here 4, 3, 2, 1, whatever be. Like that you have to adjust that term. We'll see afterward. Now here 4, here 4, same. No need to adjust number. Here x raised to 4. So you have to multiply x by x cube, then it becomes x raised to 4, no? Take the product, x cube multiply by 4x, it is 4x raised to 4. Here what sign? Minus. X cube multiply by 1 x cube. Okay. Minus, so change sign. Here plus become minus, minus become plus. So this plus and minus cancel. Minus 5 plus 1. Different signs, so subtraction 4. But greater numbers carry minus sign. So this variable as it is, minus 4x cube. Write remaining term, minus 7x plus 1. What sign here? Minus. Put that sign here. Here 4, again here 4, no need to adjust. Here x cube. Means you have to multiply this one by x square. Then it become x cube, no? Now here this quotient having minus sign. So you have to multiply, then you have to consider this sign also. Means minus x square multiply by 4, it become minus 4x cube. 4 as it is, x square into x cube, and this minus sign. This minus into minus, it become plus. X square into 1x square. Okay, but this is not like a, see here, these are not like. So there is a confusion, minus. So it plus, it become minus. So this is cancel. Can we subtract this 7x and 1x square? No. See, here power 1, here 2, we can't subtract. So greatest power term you have to write first time. This one, greatest power. So minus 1x square as it is. Afterward, this minus 7x and this plus 1. Again here what come? Minus sign. Here this example is somehow different. See carefully. Okay. See carefully this one. So now here what? Minus 1x square. Here x means here we want coefficient 1, but here 4. If we multiply this 4 by 1 upon 4, then it become 1, no? Because this one cancel, What remain? 1. Means here we want coefficient is what? 1 upon 4 in the quotient. Why? See carefully. Here we want 1. But here what? 4. Then by 4, which number we have to multiply? Then it become 1. So it is 1 upon 4. Because this is multiplicative inverse. We know. The product of multiplicative inverse is 1. That's why we directly taken 1 upon 4. Suppose here 5, then 1 upon 5. 6, then 1 upon 6. Like this, you have to adjust. Okay. Here x square. So 1x is less. So take x. See carefully. This is. Now we have to multiply this both term by this one. First one we'll see here. Minus 1 upon 4. Minus sign is very important. X multiply by what? 4x. This 4 cancel. Minus into plus is minus. X into x square. This 1x square. This is the product. Second is what? Minus 1 upon 4x multiply by minus 1. You have to multiply both the term. In binomial, in monomial different. There is one term, but here two term now. So what quotient you will take? You have to multiply both term by that quotient. First this one. So this minus minus become plus. Okay. This 1 upon 4 multiply. 1 is 1 upon 4 and this x as it is. Here no term. Okay. Now subtraction. This is plus, this is minus. Somehow different example. Huh? This is, you see again and again, then you will understand. This one minus 1x square plus 1x square cancel. Now here what remain? Minus 7 minus 1 upon 4. See, minus 7 minus 1 upon 4. You have to add. Means what you have to do? Denominator should be same. So 4 ones are 4. Then cross multiplication. Minus 7 into 4 minus 28. And this one 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Understood or not? We make us denominator same, so cross multiplication we have taken. So it is what? Minus 29 upon 4. Okay. So here minus 29 upon 4. So addition of these two. And this x as it is plus 1. Only this one example is different. So you have to see carefully. Now here x, but here coefficient minus 29 upon 4 and here 4. Okay, so what number you have to multiply this one by? Then it become 29 minus 29 upon 4. See, here already 4. We want here 29 upon 4. Means here this 29 we want in the numerator. And this 4 is not here. Here that 4 should be there. So 4 4s are 16. If we write, then this division come 4, no? Minus 29 upon 4. Understood? So which number you have to take? Minus 29 upon 16. Minus 29 upon 16. Here x, here x. No need to adjust variable now. Only number part. And we know this product is what come? Minus 29 upon 4x. Understood? 4x, suppose here x and here also x. No, not here x, only this one. So this come 4 4s are 16 minus 29 upon 4 and this is x. Same term should be here. Now again this one multiply by minus 1. We know this minus minus become plus. 29 upon 16 as it is. 29 upon 16 because this number multiplied by 1. Same product but minus minus become plus. Again we have to change the sign. Here minus sign. So this minus become plus. This plus become minus. This is cancel. See, minus and plus cancel same term. Now here what remain? 1 minus 29 upon 16. 1 minus 29 upon 16. Again here denominator 1. So 16 ones are 16. Cross multiplication. 16 ones are 16 minus 1 into 29. 29 means 29 minus 16. What come? 13. Greater number sign minus. This denominator as it is. In this subtraction come minus 13 upon 16. Clear it? minus 13 upon 16. How it come? You can check it. Okay. So this is the answer. Now we can't divide. So your answer is what? Quotient. Quotient, see, very big quotient. X cube minus x square minus 1 upon 4x minus 29 upon 16. And your remainder is what? Remainder is minus 13 upon 16. This example is totally different. You have to see again and again and try to understand. Okay, this is big one example. Maybe in your semester exam that will be asked. Important example. Study it properly, and if any doubt you can ask. Now see, some assignment is given. So here first example you have to adjust. Here see, just I will give the clue. You have to solve. Here 3x, here x square, here 12, then x raised to 4, then x cube is given. Here 2 is given, x square is given. In divisor we know first term should be with the variable and then constant. And here all term in order ascending order of a variable, power of a variable. But here 1, here 4, here 3. So you have to adjust first this example. Means what? You can write this example like this. Greatest power is x raised to 4 plus sign. So no need to write. Then cube term come plus x cube. Then square term come 3x square. Then power 1 term plus 3x. And then this constant. Means you have to write this polynomial in standard form. See here 4, 3, 2, 1 like this. And here divisor also you have to adjust. This 2 plus x square, you can write x square plus 2. We know 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2. Addition come same. Now you can easily divide for this polynomial by this divisor. Try to solve all these 3 examples. If you able to solve these 3 examples, means you will understand this division. Okay. Now this is the last practice set of this lesson. So try to solve, and next period we will start new lesson. Okay. Thank you.